Welcome back. So when asked to list their financial assets, many people include stocks, bonds, retirement accounts, and all of that. When it comes to expenses, their list may include mortgage, utilities, food and clothing, and insurances like health and life. While focusing on building assets for retirement, life insurance is oftentimes overlooked and even eliminated when it should be considered its own asset class. Joining us now is Becker, CEO of Retirement Solutions Group, to sort of explain all of that. So why should insurance be considered its own asset class?
Well, life insurance has been around for a long time, and it's one of those vehicles that I think is misunderstood. We're not talking about our parents' life insurance policies, if you will. Today, it's got tax-free death benefits, it's tax-free accumulation, tax-deferred growth. So when you're really looking at a life insurance policy, it can be used in your retirement to create income. Yes, it can protect a loved one, it can do a lot of other things, but what I want our listeners and viewers to hear is that life insurance should not be eliminated in retirement. It should be reviewed and make sure it's doing its appropriate duty in retirement, that it's there for a purpose.
Okay, and to support that statement, I've been hearing a lot about taxes in your answer. Is this actually considered a tax-efficient strategy?
Well, absolutely. At Retirement Solutions Group, we have our 5 core areas that we talk about every Monday, and one of those is tax efficiency. And a life insurance policy structured correctly can be utilized to create a lot of different features in retirement, such as a Roth replacement. Having the benefit to have tax-free distributions in retirement by using what's called a wash loan. You don't have to pay it back, but you get that income, and tax-free money is going to go a lot further than taxable money, which means you can have a better retirement.
Exactly. We do not want to be taxed on it if we can avoid it at all possible.
Yes. Taxes are forced extractions, not voluntary contributions.
I like that. I like that. So are there any other important benefits of life insurance that we should know about?
Well, we call it life insurance, obviously, because it's a lot more palatable than death insurance. But for those of us that are living, the ones we leave behind, life insurance still does do a good job of spousal replacement for income. It does a good job of that extra peace of mind. We recently lost a client at the office, and his wife is happy that she's getting that life insurance because, you know, there's funeral expenses, there's the Social Security changes, the income changes all around, and that life insurance can support that. So one part is tax-free, one part is helping out your charities, another part is spousal replacement, income, and that kind of thing. So yeah, a life insurance is a very powerful tool, and we want to make sure that it's not eliminated when it could be utilized, especially when you have extra money in retirement for those required minimum distributions. What do you do with it? Let's maximize it for our beneficiaries.
Absolutely, and I also do love the fact that you've brought up that life insurance really can be for everyone, even if you're not necessarily leaving someone else behind.
Yeah, well, I've got kids at home, and that are 3, 9, and 10, and I've had life insurance on them since they were first born, and we can cover people all the way into their 80s and beyond. So don't overlook it. It's a very good tool in retirement.
Well, Alan, thank you so much. If you would like more information from Alan and his team at Retirement Solutions Group, just call 913-685-9422 or visit rsgusa.net.